Are you tired of the same old Windows 11 look? What if you could transform it into a sleek, fully transparent desktop with just a few simple steps? In this video, I'll show you how to make your start menu completely transparent, give your taskbar a clean glass effect, and even apply the same look to File Explorer. And we're not stopping there. You'll also get the transparent effect on right-click menus, properties, windows, and other parts of the Windows interface, giving the entire system a much more modern and polished look. I'll also show you something most tutorials completely skip: how to apply the transparent effect to the control panel. And of course, we can't forget the notification center and quick settings. We'll make those transparent too, so the whole Windows interface feels consistent. But there's one more thing I want to show you: a dynamic music and media control effect that lets you control your currently playing music or videos with some really cool animations. You'll even see animations when copying files and performing other actions. So, if you're ready to give Windows 11 a completely fresh and modern look, hit that thumbs up and let's get started. So, this is what my desktop looks like before we apply any of the effects. It's pretty cluttered, so let's clean things up first. Start by right-clicking on the desktop, go to View, and turn off Show Desktop Icons. This instantly gives us a much cleaner look. Next, right-click the taskbar and open Taskbar Settings. Set Search to hide, then turn off Task View, Widgets, and any other unnecessary options. Now, let's give the desktop a better look with a nice wallpaper. You can use any wallpaper you like or download the one I'm using from the link in the description. Once that's done, open your browser and head over to the Windhawk website. This is the tool we'll be using to customize Windows and add all those cool effects. Click Download and the setup file will start downloading. And once the setup file finishes downloading, open it and install Windhawk by following the on-screen instructions. During the installation, Windhawk will take a little time to download and install the required files. Once everything is ready, click Finish and Windhawk will launch automatically for the first time. So, this is the main interface of Windhawk. First, go to the Explore section, where you'll find all the different mods we can use to customize Windows. The first mod we need is Translucent Windows. Open it by clicking Details, then click Install, and finally select Accept and Install. Once it's installed, go to the Settings tab. Here, enable Custom Rendering and Accent Colorizer, then scroll down to Background Effect and set it to Accent Blur Behind. For the color blend amount, enter 8C followed by 6 zeros. After that, turn on the flyout effect. Finally, under Theme Customization, make sure both options are enabled. Once you've done that, simply click Save Settings. Now open File Explorer, and you can already see that beautiful glass effect applied to it. Next, let's apply the same glass effect to the taskbar. Go back to Windhawk and search for Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Install it the same way as before. Once it's installed, open its settings, set the theme to translucent, and click Save Settings. And just like that, your taskbar instantly gets a clean glass effect. Now, let's move on to the Start menu. It already has a little transparency by default, but honestly, it doesn't look nearly as good as what we're about to do. Go back to Windhawk and open Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Install it, then open Settings and set the theme to Translucent Start Menu. Save the settings. And there you go, your Start menu now has a much cleaner and better looking glass effect. Next, we're going to apply the effect to the Control Center and Notification Center, which is something many tutorials don't show. Go back to Windhawk, open Windows 11 Notification Center Alert. Install it the same way as before. Then go to Settings and set the theme to Translucent Shell. Click Save Settings. And as you can see, the glass effect is now applied to both the Control Center and Notification Center, making the entire Windows interface look much more consistent. And finally, let's add something extra cool to the desktop: a dynamic island. Go back to Windhawk, search for Dynamic Island for Windows, open it, and install it, just like the other mods. Once installed, the dynamic island will appear instantly, and there you go. It's now working perfectly. You can use it to control your music and media. And it also shows some really cool animations for different Windows actions, making your desktop feel even more modern and alive. And there you have it. Your Windows 11 desktop now looks cleaner, more modern, and fully transparent. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows customization tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.